The 1.5 kVA 1500 kVA 3-phase pad-mounted transformer delivers reliable, utility-grade power in a compact, tamper-resistant enclosure. Built to IEEE 57-12-30-420-2, DO 2016, and UL-listed standards. It offers a safe and efficient solution for medium voltage distribution, featuring a loop-feed, dead-front design. It converts 12.47 kV to 4.16 kV DIN 1. Includes 5 off-circuit taps for 13.4-12.0 kV for on-site voltage adjustment. The transformer uses ONAN cooling, mineral oil insulation, and a 65°C temperature rise for stable performance and long life. Aluminum windings ensure durability and cost efficiency. While 5.75% impedance provides dependable fault management. Tested to DO 2016 limits, it achieves 1,545 W no load and 10,540 W load loss for lower operating costs. Compact, efficient, and low maintenance. It's ideal for utilities, renewables, industrial sites.